Hi there, today we're gonna talk about borage. Borage is a plant species in the Boraginaceae family. It is also known as starflower, bee bush or bee bread. Borage is an annual plant that grows to a height of about 60 to 100 centimeters. It has bright blue, star-shaped flowers and hairy leaves. Borage is native to the Mediterranean region and has been used for medicinal and culinary purposes for centuries. The leaves and flowers of borage are rich in nutrients such as calcium, potassium and gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, an omega-6 fatty acid that has anti-inflammatory properties. Borage has a slight cucumber-like flavor and is often used as a garnish to flavor dishes. The flowers are also used to make herbal tea or infused into oils for cosmetic purposes. In traditional medicine, borage has been used to treat a variety of ailments, such as fever, respiratory infections, and skin conditions. Borage is also known for its role in supporting pollinators, such as bees and butterflies. The flowers are a source of nectar and pollen, making them as an important plant for supporting the ecosystem. Borage has a long history of use in traditional medicine. The ancient Greeks and Romans used borage leaves and flowers to treat a range of ailments, such as digestive problems, respiratory infections, and skin conditions. The herb was also believed to have a cooling effect on the body and was used to reduce fever. In modern herbal medicine, borage is still used for its anti-inflammatory properties. The GLA in borage oil is believed to help reduce inflammation in the body, making it useful for conditions such as arthritis and eczema. Borage is also used to support respiratory health and is often included in herbal remedies for coughs and colds. Borage has culinary uses as well. The leaves and flowers have a mild, slightly cucumber-like flavor and can be used as a garnish or to add flavor to salads, soups, and stews. Borage flowers are also used to make herbal tea, which is believed to have a calming effect on the body. Borage is an important plant for pollinators such as bees and butterflies. The flowers are rich in nectar and pollen, making them a valuable source of food for these insects. Borage is also used in organic farming to support natural pest control. The plant produces compounds that repel certain insects' pests, making it useful for reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Overall, borage is a versatile and beneficial plant that has been used for centuries for its medicinal, culinary, and ecological properties. Hope you enjoyed this video on borage. If so, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you.